Let's make chicken and potatoes. Cuciniamo. Hello everyone, and good afternoon. Today I'm actually going to make another quick dish. Very simple. Potatoes that are sliced in lengthwise, about 5 russet potatoes, and some boneless chicken thighs. To that I'm going to add salt, pepper, some onion powder, olive oil, and some muti tomato sauce with basil and oregano in it. So just a little bit of this, not all, just to give it a little bit of a red coating. And it's very simple to do. So what I'm going to do is just coat the bottom of my pan with some oil. I'll put some more oil in this as well. And then just going to put my potatoes in here. And then I'm going to season it with salt. Oh, actually, I want to pour some more oil on top of the potatoes just to drizzle it a little. Season it with some salt and pepper. This time I'm shaking it so I don't have a lot come out. And then some onion powder to give it some onion flavor. You hear my oven in the back. That just means it reached the temperature. And I'm going to also place the chicken now in here. And again, I'm going to coat these with a bit of oil, salt, and pepper. It's okay that they're on top of the potatoes. These are small pieces. Let's get this out of here. Let me wash my hands. Then I'm just going to drizzle this with some oil, olive oil, obviously. And then again, some salt on each of them. Some pepper. And then some onion salt, or onion powder, I'm sorry. I'm going to open up this can. Struggling with this can. Hopefully I didn't squirt that on me. Made a mess here. So let me wipe that up. And then, just like I said, I'm just going to drizzle and that's it. This is going to go in the oven. I have it on convection bake at 350, which adjusts it automatically to 325. It's going to cook in there for about an hour on slow. So or on low and slow. And then we'll take it out in about an hour and see how it goes. Okay, so I'm back, and let's take the chicken and potatoes out of the oven. It should be done. It's been about an hour. Now remember, this was cooked on convection roast at 350 degrees. This is I don't know why my camera is not moving. Let me adjust it. Sorry about that. So this is what it looks like, cooked. The cooking temperature was 350 degrees on convection bake or convection roast, and it cooked for about an hour. Potatoes are fully cooked. The chicken is fully cooked. Now, when you're using convection roast, and this is new to me because I've never had a convection oven before, but what I've learned is that you can cook this on 425 and reduce the cooking time to about 30 minutes, 35 minutes, because the convection roast has air flowing throughout. That's why this was not covered. If you cook it conventionally, then you can cover it to keep it a little moist. This tends to brown the top, which you can see is some browning on the top of this. And this is what is for dinner tonight. I'm not going to taste it because I'm going to be eating it very shortly when my family comes home. But if you want to make it, try making it. Very easy to do and very tasty. Thank you, and see you again.